To successfully update the firmware, you will need a computer with the ONICON diagnostic software installed, a micro USB A or B to USB 2.0 cable, input power cable, the FT-3500 transmitter, and the latest firmware file from ONICON saved to a local driver on your desktop, unzipped. To begin, ensure your FT-3500 is powered up with a 24-volt supply and then connect it to your computer via USB. Once connected, the green LED light will light up and remain solid. Next, launch the diagnostic software, after which you'll need to add the file path for the meter attribute database. To do this, click the green pencil next to the top line. Locate the attribute database and select it. Once populated, click on Auto Detect and the meter information should populate. If it does not, select Manual Detect and find the COM port that the meter is plugged into. Select it and then hit OK. With the meter information populated, navigate to the firmware section by clicking on the bottom blue icon in the left toolbar. Next, select the green pencil icon at the top right to load the bootloader file. Repeat the same process for the row below to load the firmware file found in the FT-3500 folder. Double-check your selections to avoid any errors. With the files loaded, verify that the drop-down menu below the play button says Main Board. If it does not, click on the drop-down to select it. Now you are ready to update the firmware. Click the Reset the Meter button. This will put the meter into bootloader mode, which can be verified by the orange blinking light inside the transmitter between boards. If the reset button does not trigger the orange flashing light, the meter needs to be manually powered off and then back on again with the USB already connected. This will manually put the meter into bootloader mode. Click on the red X button to disconnect the meter. Next, click on the firmware button and then click Connect, then Play to initiate the update. You have 40 seconds to do this process. The firmware update status bar will be at the top of the screen, and you will know it is complete when all the statuses have turned green. When the firmware update is complete, disconnect, then reconnect the meter to confirm the new firmware version is showing and the process is completed. For further support, please contact our tech support. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.